Oh no. I have like mga 100 plus, 140. You have to open tomorrow. Okay, Madam Sir. We just found out ang shipment man di ay schedule for the balikbayan box is not until March 1st. Oh. We just texted Ate Melinda manggod kung pwede niya makuha o makiupat nakabuk ang nakadaog. But she can't make it tomorrow kaya iyahang truck is not working. And also the schedule is not till March. But that's fine. So at least we know the schedule now. Schedule maganda nila guys kay ngano. Tawag ani kana bitawng mostly magid ang mga OFW mag-send sila balikbayan box. Mas kusog ang shipment pag on the way na siya sa close na siya sa kanang Pasko manginana bitaw. But for PIF mang good. Ay nako, eventually makaship ta og pang container o pang malakasan pack gunner. But anyway, so that's the schedule. Ulat-ulat na lang good ta. So while waiting, just banat na lang PIF magamay madako pa GCash because GCash is MWF #balik-balik. We have to go to 66.
Okay.
No, you can't be. It's okay.
$10 per hour. Open the table.
Okay. You just do that na lang. So, nahudan sila og coins para sa billiard. Ako natigom-tigom diya og mga 100 plus. Agkahudan sila, labi na karon is, ginalak magid namo ang billiard. Tapos, ato ang coin machine is guba. Napa dito sa Springfield. Before man nag-ato sa Florida, mo siyang gi-drop off. And they will, are they gonna bring it here? Together with the machine, the play machine, the coins, or no? Or we have to pick it up?
They're gonna bring everything here.
Oh, that's really nice. So, may magitong na to yung coins bito, pero mo to dagan kay issue. Or we need to get a new one. Napod siya yung new one, but then still now, up until now, pag siya na taod ba? Ay, nako, dagan kay issue, Madam Sir. But that's how it is. Yaya ka lang. Ah, that's so cool. We can just do that and toast her. Sana all. Okay, that's the chika. Wala may popcorn. Magtanaw tamig mga kawakwakan in of the world.